Yo, 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 yo! Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learn recipes as one. Today's Monday's upload. Thanks for being with me. We return to the garlic bread series, and today we're gonna make kind of like a gourmet pizza. Some might not call it gourmet, but we're gonna change up the ingredients. We're gonna use roasted garlic tomato sauce instead of pizza sauce. We're going to use roasted garlic olive oil, so that's going to add a different taste. So for today's recipe, I did this garlic bread ahead of time. If you want, you can check my other videos and you can see how you do this. I have pepperoni. I have that roasted garlic oil from California. I have that roasted garlic tomato sauce and pizza blend. So we're gonna start by putting some roasted garlic olive oil on top of the bread, and then we'll go from there. All right, so the thing we're gonna do is take this roasted garlic oil and we're gonna put some on the bread. If you do not want to buy this, you can make your own garlic oil. It's easy. There's a lot of recipes on the web and also YouTube. So put on the amount of garlic oil that you want. You definitely want this to taste good. Take the back of a spoon and spread that. So spread that into the bread, and you can see how that glistens. So that's going to add a lot of texture there. Next, we're going to take the tomato sauce instead of pizza sauce. And look at the quality there. We're going to add that on top. Alright, so you see that tomato sauce? Spread that on there. So instead of using pizza sauce, we're going to use that tomato sauce. So use the one of your liking and spread that on just like you were putting pizza sauce on there. Alright, so you can see how that is. And the thing with garlic bread is, look at your local store, at a bakery, and like in the previous videos, you've seen that I got that for $2.50. You can make many creations. Like with this garlic bread, you can make like pesto pizza, Hawaiian. You can even make Mexican stuff on there. So now I'm going to take my pizza blend and I'm going to throw that cheese on there. But use the cheese of your choice. This is actually a fast recipe, like I said, so just take your pizza cheese and you control this. So just put on there what you want. If you want extra cheese, if you want a limited amount, if you want, you can take pizza blend and mix it with other stuff. So let's get that on there, and then we'll put the pepperoni on and we're done. All right, so we're done with that. Now we're gonna take our pepperoni, and we're going to place this in any direction you want. So let's get done with that. Then after that, we just have to cook it. Remember, the garlic bread's already cooked, so you really only have to melt the cheese and warm the pepperoni. But that's the thing with garlic bread. If you want like a day ahead of time in the pan, do a whole bunch of stuff, and then keep it in the refrigerator or freeze it like I did. Alright, so our pizza is done. The thing you can do is you have many options. You can put this in the microwave since it's already cooked, and you're going to do it 20 seconds at a time. Remember, like always, you can't take away time. You could always add it, so you do it slowly. Another thing is you could put it in the oven on a pizza stone, or you could put it in a toaster oven, or you can take it in a pan, a pot like this, a pan, and you could add water in here and keep the cover on and use steam to melt everything. But I'm going to use the microwave. You know me. Try to take a shortcut. And with me, a microwave is not that bad. And we're going to make this good pizza. Then once it's done, this thing would be excellent because you have the pepperoni, the cheese. You have that garlic oil underneath. And then you have this garlic bread. How it's charred right there. So couldn't go wrong with this. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, there you have it. your pizza. I put on a little bit more cheese than you're supposed to, but basically call that your extra cheese pizza. But that's what you can do with different creations of garlic bread. I bring you more garlic bread recipes in the future. You really should smell this kitchen. Oh my God, it smells good. You can smell the cheese, the pepperoni. You can smell that garlic bread since it warmed up, and the garlic oil is underneath. I had to end up microwaving this for 80 seconds. So remember, do it 20 seconds at a time, and every microwave is different. If you want, like I said, you could use the pan process or toaster oven or the oven with a pizza stone. So thanks YouTube for being part of my channel. Food is about creation. This thing right here might not look the prettiest, but I guarantee it tastes good. And look at that. Look at the oils in there. So this is your Monday upload. I will see you Wednesday. You have a good week. And let's take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Peace, Dansoy. God bless.